ningasayifuni imisebenzi ethi asayifuni imisebenzi sesifune kakhulu kanti ufaka uyakwenza ukuthi unethezeke phela wenhlupheko ufaka uyakwenza ukuthi unethezeke uyinhlupheko uyijabulele abanye bena befuna ukuphuma enhluphekweni wena uthi umhleli kuyo yini problem ufaka uyakwenza ukuthi bazalwane uma ngabekena isimo sakho sisibi abanye bethi sukuma uyothandaza done right fine. So we have to announce namhlanje phekwa fire abanye lana ufaka ubambe impilo yakhe yokukhona ngabukude with the chain noNkulunkulu but ufaka ubambe has stopped you has blocked you ube blockage wena kunokwenza kufaka umuntu oyikhazini yakho kunokwenza ufaka umuntu ongani wakho kunokwenza ufaka umuntu osuka nayo khona yebandleni lakho. But I've come to release you from that fire and say it Pharaoh, let this person go. And once you Pharaoh kulula, ubona noma results. Unawo umsebenzi emthulile. Yazi nato zamsezani ngamanje. Yasemthe ngoba khona abantu abadumisayo bemthanda uNkulunkulu besindiswe bethandaze futhi but they don't have peace in their hearts. Baba nje ufaka. Ufaka usuku ufaka umuntu oshade naye. Sewufaka osuke ebambe ifamilies ubona ifamily